If you want to make Chrome faster and easier to use, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate the Toolbar shortcut on your Chrome browser. This is a simple customization trick, but it can save you a lot of time every day by keeping your favorite actions pinned right next to the address bar. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you're on a new tab page. You can do this by clicking the plus icon at the top or by opening a fresh tab if you already have the browser running. The new tab page is where Chrome lets you customize the look and layout of your browser. Now look at the very bottom right corner of the window. You should see a button labeled Customize Chrome, and it usually looks like a small pencil icon. Click that button to open the customization menu. As soon as you click it, a side panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. This panel gives you different options for changing how Chrome looks and behaves, so take a moment to find the section you need. Scroll down inside that panel until you see the Toolbar section. This is the area where Chrome lets you control which shortcut buttons appear near your address bar. Once you open the Toolbar section, you'll see a list of available action shortcuts. These are the quick access buttons Chrome can place on your toolbar for easier use. Now simply switch the toggle to on for the buttons you want to pin permanently next to your address bar. This will make the shortcut visible in your Chrome toolbar, so you can access it instantly without digging through menus. If you want a cleaner browser, only turn on the shortcuts you use often. If you want maximum convenience, turn on the ones that match your workflow. The great thing is that you can always go back and change these settings later. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can activate toolbar shortcuts on Chrome and customize your browser to work the way you want. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in your daily browsing. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Chrome tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.